I'm going to show you how you can change your Steam password. So the first thing we need to do is open up Steam, and then in the top left, click Steam, and then click Settings. From here on the right, click Account Details, and then on the left, look for Security and Devices. From here, you want to select Change Password, and now you will have a few different ways of changing your password. So if you have the Steam mobile app, you can just click Send a confirmation to my Steam mobile app, and all you have to do is just open it and then copy the code. Or if you don't have access to your Steam mobile app, you can just click the second option here, which will do. And then you can choose to receive a text to your registered phone number. Or if you don't have access to that phone number, you can choose the second option, which you can have a code sent to your email address. But if you're unfortunate enough to not have access to that email address as well, you can select the second option. And all you'll need to do here is input your current password. So you will need to know your current password. Once you've done that, all you need to do is set your new password, and that's all there is to it.